Ask if anybody needs to use the restroom. Now's the time to go.
Let's unload first. Here's your keys.
Good to meet you, John. I'm Susan.
Hi. No. Oh crap.
Go without him.
You know, don't worry about it. We got it covered. We're okay.
Hear about my addictions, coffee and adventure. Mike, there's a keg of coffee on board. I just saw it. It's like, look it. It's gotta be.
Cambro.
It's all right. It's. Oh my God! It's like got little saddlebags.
Fun trip.
Oh, there's sunscreen.
Oh, yeah, awesome.
Yeah, no, I'm a believer in it.
Oh, yeah. Tony Chapman's getting on the kayak right now.
Hang on, are we in neutral? Okay, just that. Okay, got it. Glad I can't see. Okay, are we in neutral? Put us in neutral and she can jump off. Okay, we're in neutral. All right, Alice. Thank you.
Alice.
Woo!
Love you guys. Love you too.
Love you too.
Okay.
Wonderful swim. You're gonna have a great time.
Just jump.
Yep.
Okay. Atta girl. Good.
Okay.
Sorry about the
Mike, I didn't understand any of that.
There's quite a bit of current coming out here.
Yes. Okay.
So it's probably want to go a little bit to the left.
It's becoming a thing.
Such a thing.
Such a thing. Especially our water up here because we've got so many crab couples. Is there any Anna's forecast?
Not that I'm aware of.
I didn't see
It
it.
just got hot.
Right on the nose, huh?
It just got hot. There's a wind line right here.
You can see the moon and the Venus here. I can see them sparkling. And there's Alice. Getting brighter.
We're gonna swim the night away. You're doing great, Alice. Doing fantastic. What's that? Oh, stand still. Just sit up.
Woohoo! Go Alice!
What's that mean?
Well, I don't see it anymore, so we're right.
How are we doing on that? Oh, there's the sun. Is it any good?
Like the Loch Ness Monster.
Oh. Yeah, alright, next one. Yeah, it's like they're passing along.
Backing off from trash, bring it over.
Come sweet twin, yeah, all the cattle boats are gonna be coming out.
Watching that boat coming at us.
Okay, the good news is I don't see another northbound one on the horizon. So there will be.
Go Alice! Woohoo!
I'll be next to you.
Tell you that for Starlight.
Doing very well. Keep it up.
You guys are amazing. You got me through it, man. Now I just gotta be able to
You
swim.
got yourself.
Yeah, that's definitely done.
Yeah.
Oh, are they gonna switch them off?
Island cat?
Yeah.
This
minimize the in and out of gear.
I know that. I know.
Shut it down and keeps you thinking the seats are happening more now.
Because it's stopping the pressure for it's blowing out somewhere else. Yeah, my buddy that's worked on the rigs all the years was explaining that when they're capped off, it doesn't.
Yeah. Right.
I was on that motor. Will those work for you until we can get something else?
That'll be great.
Gotcha.
I couldn't eat roll because it had cheese in it.
Oh.
Oh, no dairy.
Oh, because you're no dairy.
Cheese out. Did you give it to somebody else?
Yeah, I gave it to John.
Okay.
He enjoyed it.
Very good. No, dairy. Come on over, dolphins. Come see the swimmer. Alice is out here. My voice is all wrecked because I worked. Oh, that's so cool.
So we'll expect an answer when you get back. To which came first, the chicken or the egg?
I don't know. I think we'll change it. He'll do the egg and I'll do the chicken.
Okay. Looks like we got a little wake.
Where'd that come from?
Yeah.
It is.
Woo.
Maybe that far away. I don't know.
The mystery ship.
All the bottles. Do you have one that has?
I have an empty one, but there should still be a whole bunch in that bag.
No, that's what I thought, but they're not there. I got that one.
I've got one that's got a quarter in it.
Well, we're into the 7th hour, so that's 14 feet for sure.
Okay.
And you need Snickers, right?
Well, I don't think you have any, but if you do, yeah, she would like.
Into the
She
8th
would like
hour.
another just bite, not the whole Snickers bar,
Okay.
or I might eat the rest of it.
Awesome.
You know, I think she's doing well. I've talked to her a little bit about trying to recover her good technique, but the back's hurting too much for her to concentrate on.
Oh.
Yeah, is it time for more Advil?
Well, I've got one more in here.
On the next feed?
Yeah, I don't know.
Hi, Gina. We're here. It's right there. Way to go, Alice.
53.
That's interesting. Go, Alice. Go, Alice. Go, Alice. It's your swim day. It's your swim day. It's your swim day. It's your swim day. There's Gina. There's Gina. There's Gina. There's Gina. You made it. You made it. You made it. You made it. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Beach is waiting. Beach is waiting. Beach is waiting. Beach is waiting. Go, Alice. Go, Alice. Go, Alice. Go, Alice. Keep swimming. Keep swimming. Keep swimming. Keep swimming. Woo! Woo! That was fun.
I wonder if anybody's coming out to look at us. Look at the crazy people. That would be weird to live on something like that.
Most of the people that work on there work for Halliburton, and they're like just paroled out of prison. They don't make these fun.
You can see the guys on the stairs.
Hey, you got an audience over there now. Everybody's here.
Yeah, I've got a visual on the break wall.
Getting out, I may not be.
Okay. But yeah, I was just thinking about Vanguard too, like, it's about time. It's going on 10. Well, maybe if it's the 9:30 boat, they'll be coming soon.
Either Jason or Matt will be the skipper.
That's right. It was Jay yesterday.
Perfect swim because
We had nice weather going out. We got the motor sail on the way out. We had a beautiful sunrise, flat water. Now it's clouded over, so we don't have to look at the glare all day.
nice and smooth too, huh?
Yeah, perfect.
And when the crew gets a break, they get tucked in. La, la, and they get rocked gently to sleep on the boat.
And I feel a lot better this time when I'm rocking than I did before.
Wonderful. Don't let us go down toward Wainimi. Little less current? Oh, little less surf. For sure less surf. I don't think it's going to be much of an issue right now, but there's a little bit of a groundswell. Yeah. We're lined up for Strand, but yeah. So we'll go for Strand and then if we need to call it. Tony, you've towed so many people. You deserve to have a tow.
It's pretty funny still.
Right?
Sometimes I'll look at birds and I think, oh, how pretty, and then my friends who own boats are like, they're rats with feathers.
Yeah. There's a brown-footed babies on Anacapa. We saw them yesterday.
Wow.
So yeah, Mike, it looks good in front of the lifeguard tower at Strand.
Talking about the main one there with the parking lot.
Uh-huh.
No Starbucks.
What?
No Starbucks.
No Starbucks? Oh, go Starbucks. Perfect. Park here. Just jump out. Fun.
Have fun. Woohoo!
All right. Yay! Go Susan. You got company. Woo! All right, let's make this a quick feed.
Quick feed. You've got current going against you.
Current's going against you. Get your.
Are we under a mile?
I don't know yet. I never want to have again.
Maybe one more.
Okay, one more. Add it after the swim. After the swim, I'll add tequila and it'll taste really good.
It will be awesome.
After.
After the swim, when we're at dock.
Is it making noise?
I'm not stirring anything up right now.
Woohoo! Just keep swimming.
1.1! 1.1!
Dig it in. Nautical. 1.1 nautical.
That would have been funny.
So Susan is in swimming with Alice.
Doesn't count, but
Alice breathes right and Susan breathes left.
whenever you have two fingers in the water like that, it's always
Put your head down and swim. You've got current coming at you.
No, side out.
Yeah, you've got Please.
Yeah, the whole thing.
I wonder if he'll come up again.
Here's sea
Sea lion was just behind him on her last feed.
Sounds like Bisu! Just to heckle it back.
Looking good, Alice. At least she wouldn't lift her head when she breathes.
What? Just go on in wherever you want.
I'll be able to see her,
Okay. Okay.
especially from where we're at.
Yeah. Lead her in, John. Woo-hoo! You know how I know summer's over?
Beach is empty.
The beach is empty.
Woo!
And
Ready? Call it.
He's clear.
Now.
Fire! Yes, it is, Mike. Yes, it is. You've done a fine job, sir.
11:09:48.
Woo! Woo! You did it! It's okay.
Feel?
Woohoo! I have to go louder, but I didn't want to say it. Woohoo!
So great to be done, isn't it?
Oh my God!
Yeah.
I'm not swimming. I'm gonna miss that.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh, I'm so happy for you.
I'm so excited. I had the A-team crew though, I have to be honest. My crew was awesome. Yes. And that's
Yeah.
my kayaker, one of them. I had two.
Yeah?
Paddleboard.
I'm sorry.
Paddleboarding, yeah.
I apologize. I felt so bad when they told me you were not feeling well. I was like,
I think I'm good.
I felt bad.
But you know what it was? It was the patch, I think.
Oh.
Didn't work, huh?
No,
No, it was like the worst. In fact, when I took it off, I was a lot better.
What?
You just
Going to Disneyland.
Just you?
The
happiest place on earth. You were my crew chief. You did amazing. No, you were my crew chief. That's a lot of work.
Thomas should be flying down here, and we should all be going to Disneyland.